Here are some interesting facts for you. Earth and nature facts. Over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, more than space in some ways. The Amazon rainforest produces around 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname lungs of the earth. Lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times per day. Antarctica is technically the largest desert in the world. You've never actually seen your real face, only reflections or photos. The Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. A single teaspoon of soil contains more living organisms than there are people on Earth. Human body facts. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. No two people have the same fingerprints, not even identical twins. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day without you even thinking about it. Your brain can trick you into remembering things that never actually happened. Overthinking can physically exhaust your brain just like physical work tires your body. You are more creative when you are tired. Most of your decisions are made subconsciously, before you're aware of them. Your body replaces most of its cells every few years. You are not the same person physically. You are made up of more bacteria than human cells. Your stomach creates a new lining every few days to avoid digesting itself. Your nose can remember over 1 trillion different scents. History facts. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than to the building of the pyramids. University of Oxford is older than the Aztec Empire. Woolly mammoths were still alive when the Great Pyramid was already ancient history. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the observable universe. Time and reality facts. The past, present, and future may all exist simultaneously. According to physics theories, time moves slightly faster on a mountain than at sea level. You are technically seeing everything in the past, even this sentence. Because light takes time to reach your eyes. There are moments in your life you will never remember, no matter how important they were. Technology and modern life. The average person checks their phone over 90 times a day. More data has been created in the last few years than in all of human history before that. AI can now generate realistic images, voices, and even human-like conversations. Your smartphone has more computing power than the computers used for the Apollo moon landing. Space facts. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Black holes can slow down time due to extreme gravity. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they can fuse permanently. The universe has no known center and possibly no edge. There are planets where it rains glass sideways. A neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece would weigh billions of tons. We are made of stardust. Elements in your body were formed in exploding stars.